Everyone talks about diversification, optimization, and building the perfect portfolio. 10 ETFs, sector rotations, monthly rebalancing, endless comparisons. But the truth is, most investors don't lose because they picked the wrong ETF. They lose because they overthink, overtrade, and constantly second-guess themselves. In a world obsessed with complexity, simplicity has become underrated. And that's where SCHD quietly stands out. One ETF, one strategy, one system that doesn't demand your attention every day. Sometimes one ETF really is all you need. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. SCHD isn't exciting. It doesn't promise overnight riches. It doesn't chase trends or hype, and that's exactly why it works. SCHD is built for investors who understand that wealth is created slowly, predictably, and through discipline. It focuses on high-quality U.S. companies that generate strong cash flow and consistently pay dividends. These are real businesses with real profits, not stories or speculation. When you own SCHD, you're owning income-producing assets designed to survive full market cycles. Most people overthink investing because they believe more decisions equal better results. In reality, more decisions usually mean more mistakes. Every extra ETF introduces another reason to panic, sell, rotate, or interfere. SCHD removes that problem. You're not wondering whether to overweight tech or underweight energy. You're not debating growth versus value every quarter. SCHD already does the filtering for you, using rules-based criteria that focus on financial strength, dividend consistency, and sustainability. What happens if you invest $100,000 in SCHD, 3, 6, and 10-year growth? Let's make this real. Imagine you invest $100,000 into SCHD and do the most boring but powerful thing possible. You reinvest every dividend and don't touch the money. No trading, no timing, just ownership. To keep this realistic, let's assume a moderate long-term total return of around 7 to 9% per year, combining dividends and price growth. Some years will be better, some worse, but this is a fair long-term range for a high-quality dividend ETF like SCHD. Now let's break it down. After 3 years at an average 8% annual total return, your $100,000 investment grows to around $126,000. But the balance is only the surface-level result. What actually matters is what's happening underneath. During these first few years, SCHD's dividends are quietly doing the heavy lifting. Every payout is automatically reinvested, buying additional shares quarter after quarter. You didn't increase your contribution, you didn't change strategies. Yet your share count is higher than when you started, which means your portfolio is now generating more income than it did on day one. This is the phase where most investors underestimate progress because it doesn't feel dramatic yet, but the foundation is being built. By year 6, that same $100,000 has grown to roughly $159,000. And this is where compounding becomes impossible to ignore. At this point, the income increase no longer feels incremental. It feels structural. Your annual dividend income is noticeably higher, not because SCHD magically started yielding more, but because your ownership stake has expanded. You own more shares of the same high-quality businesses. Each dividend payment is larger than the last, and each reinvestment accelerates the next one. This is where many investors finally understand that income investing isn't about the first few years at all. It's about allowing time to stack quietly in your favor without interruption. By year 10, the transformation is clear. Your original $100,000 has grown to about $216,000, more than doubling without stock picking, leverage, or constant decision-making. But again, the most powerful change isn't just the portfolio value, it's the income flexibility. The annual dividends coming from SCHD at this stage are significantly higher than when you started, giving you real options. You can continue reinvesting and accelerate compounding even further. You can redirect some of that income toward expenses, or you can begin transitioning toward partial income use without needing to sell shares or disrupt the core portfolio. This is the moment where SCHD stops feeling like an investment and starts feeling like an income system. The portfolio is no longer dependent on perfect market conditions. Even during volatile periods, dividends continue to arrive, shares continue to accumulate, and the income base continues to grow. Time, not timing, becomes the dominant force, and this is why simplicity wins. While others are jumping between strategies, chasing higher yields, or reacting to market noise, the SCHD investor let compounding do its work. No stress, no constant adjustments, just ownership, reinvestment, and patience. This is how long-term wealth and future income are actually built, not through excitement, but through consistency, not through complexity, but through staying invested long enough for compounding to become visible. And that's why, for many investors, SCHD isn't just an ETF, it's enough. This is the part most people miss. The real power of SCHD isn't explosive short-term growth. It's income that compounds into more income. Each year, dividends buy more shares. More shares produce more dividends. That loop keeps running whether markets are up or down. And this is why overthinking investing hurts people. They delay starting. They chase higher returns. They jump strategies. Meanwhile, the investor who stayed boring, consistent, and disciplined quietly built a stronger income base. Could returns be higher? Yes. Could they be lower in some periods? Also yes. But this example shows something far more important than exact numbers. Time plus reinvested dividends plus simplicity works. If your goal is future income, not quick wins, then SCHD doesn't need to be exciting. It just needs to be owned long enough. That's how $100,000 turns into a portfolio that pays you for decades. One of the biggest misconceptions in investing is that higher activity leads to higher returns. The market doesn't reward effort, it rewards patience. SCHD is designed for investors who want income they can rely on without constantly watching charts or reacting to headlines. It allows you to invest, reinvest, and move on with your life. That simplicity isn't a weakness, it's a competitive advantage. Dividend investing often gets misunderstood. Some people think dividends are boring or outdated. Others chase yield without understanding the risks. SCHD sits in the middle. It doesn't chase the highest yield at any cost, and it doesn't ignore income either. Instead, it focuses on dividend quality. That means companies with a strong history of paying dividends, the financial ability to continue paying them, and the discipline to grow them responsibly over time. This is important because yield alone can be misleading. A high yield often signals trouble, falling prices, declining businesses, or unsustainable payouts. SCHD avoids that trap by screening for companies with strong balance sheets and consistent cash flow. The result is an ETF that prioritizes durability over flash. When markets get rough, that durability matters. Another reason people overthink investing is fear. Fear of missing out. Fear of making the wrong choice. Fear of market crashes. SCHD helps reduce that fear by turning volatility into income. When prices fluctuate, dividends keep coming. That steady cash flow changes how investors emotionally experience the market. Instead of seeing volatility as a threat, long-term SCHD investors see it as an opportunity to reinvest dividends at better prices. Reinvesting dividends is where SCHD truly shines. Dividends aren't just income, they're reinvestment capital. Every payout buys more shares, which then generate more dividends, which buy even more shares. This compounding effect doesn't happen overnight, but over years and decades it becomes incredibly powerful. The key is consistency. SCHD provides that consistency without demanding constant decisions from you. Fees matter more than most people realize. SCHD's low expense ratio means more of your money stays invested in compounding. Over long periods, low fees quietly outperform complex strategies with higher costs. You don't see it day to day, but decades later, the difference can be massive. Simplicity plus low costs is one of the strongest combinations in investing. Broad diversification is another reason SCHD can stand alone. It holds exposure across multiple sectors of the U.S. economy, reducing dependence on any single industry. While it avoids excessive concentration in speculative growth, it still captures the strength of established leaders in healthcare, consumer staples, industrials, and financials. This balance helps stabilize income during economic slowdowns while still allowing gradual growth. Many investors believe they need separate ETFs for growth, income, safety, and diversification. In practice, this often leads to overlapping holdings and unnecessary complexity. SCHD already combines several of those characteristics into one package. It provides income, quality screening, diversification, and disciplined rules, all in one ETF. That's why it works so well as a core holding. Market downturns are where overthinking does the most damage. When prices fall, complex portfolios create confusion. Which ETF should you sell? Which one is broken? Should you rebalance now or wait? SCHD simplifies that decision. If your goal is long-term income, downturns don't change the plan. Dividends continue. Reinvestment continues. Time continues. That clarity prevents emotional mistakes. Another overlooked benefit of SCHD is predictability. While dividend payments can vary, the overall income stream is far more stable than relying solely on price appreciation. That predictability is valuable, especially for investors planning future cash flow. Whether you're reinvesting today or planning income later, SCHD creates a clearer path than constantly rotating strategies. Some critics argue that focusing on dividends limits growth, but that assumes growth and income are opposites. In reality, sustainable dividends come from growing businesses. SCHD doesn't ignore growth. It just prioritizes profitable, cash-generating growth instead of speculative expansion. Over time, that approach can result in steady capital appreciation alongside reliable income. The idea that one ETF is all you need isn't about laziness. It's about recognizing that the biggest threat to your portfolio is usually you. Too much tinkering, too much reacting, too much noise. SCHD removes most of that temptation. You don't need to constantly ask, what should I buy next? The answer stays the same. Keep investing, keep reinvesting, and keep letting time do the work. Wealth is built in silence, not through constant action, but through consistent ownership. SCHD allows you to own a portfolio of high-quality businesses that pay you for your patience. You're not relying on perfect timing. You're relying on business fundamentals and long-term discipline. As time passes, the power of compounding becomes more visible. Dividend income grows, share count increases, volatility becomes less emotional. What once felt slow starts to feel inevitable. That's the quiet power of a simple strategy executed well. Investing doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. You don't need to be right every year. You need to stay invested across decades. SCHD is built for that reality. It doesn't demand predictions. It rewards consistency. So before you add another ETF, another strategy, or another layer of complexity, ask yourself this: is this improving my long-term outcome or just giving me something to do? Because the market doesn't reward busy investors. It rewards patient ones. SCHD isn't perfect. No ETF is. But it's reliable, disciplined, and designed for the long game. And for most investors, that's more than enough. Sometimes one ETF really is all you need. And sometimes the smartest move in investing is to stop overthinking and let SCHD do what it was built to do. Thanks for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.